Alright, I'm just going to quickly recap the second hour of Asia for November 6th, as well as New York. I didn't end up trading this, kind of just missed the session, but I did take something later on in New York. This looked like a really quality session though, so I want to consolidate some learning from it, and yeah, just kind of speak through it. So overall high time frame trending bullish. We do have this little abnormality to the upside, but it was quickly corrected. And yeah, have some structure here, broke this low, and then immediately broke those highs with volume. So I'd say going into the session, middle time frame was bullish. High middle time frame, a bit of a trending range actually. Kind of this right here with the expectancy for that to continue. One, because of the high middle time frame state. Two, because of the middle time frame shift to the upside. Three, because of the high time frame state. Opened really deep within this move, wicked down, and immediately began pushing bullish with volume, stronger volume than this weak little pullback down. So it just felt like price wanted to continue. And yeah, this context here hadn't broken, so was looking honestly fine for buys off of a little low time frame misalignment into kind of low middle time frame / middle time frame continuation, with the expectancy to continue that high middle time frame / high time frame trend. As for the DXY, it was really just low volume at the time. It had bearish expectancy on the low time frame in my mind, at least, because we opened like pretty high relative to how we'd been moving. You kind of expect that to be filled before potentially retracing higher, just given where we were relative to this high time frame downtrend. You would naturally expect middle time frame wise to eventually pull back a little bit, but we did open within a gap. So I was kind of expecting something like that. Wasn't really too concerned about it though, because the volume was so negligible. We were pushing really nicely on gold. So yeah, it's unfortunate that I missed that. Was literally at the gym being soft rejected by a Stacy Light literally at the time of this trade. So I guess in a sense I did take a loss this Asia session, but it is what it is. Ended up missing that, it's fine. Now, later on in New York, I just took this quick buy here on this type 3, 1 minute type 3. Pretty rare that I do end up taking those. I usually like to catch the breaking move itself, and honestly this was the ideal case in this circumstance as well, but I just missed it. And just given the nice volume we had there, given we were overextended relative to the low middle time frame, given we were low high time frame trending range wise, and given we had this large move to the upside, we were deep within it. This is kind of a bit of a like pseudo shift to the upside. It's just kind of taking it as a continuation of that in a sense, but mainly didn't overthink this one. It was just because we were ranging overextended into an area where we'd been getting strong buying pressure off of previously. It was natural relative to the high time frame, and the candle behavior made a lot of sense as well. Candle opened, immediately drove bearish right around the 30-minute mark, get this shift, and then the 30-minute ended up pulling down, and yeah, as I said originally, missed this move, but 30 minutes in I just kind of decided like, fuck it, if we do pull down to 50% of this move and I get a TVS or a tick volume shift within that move, I'll take it. And we got it right there at, actually it might have been 434 that I entered, not sure, but yeah, the volume in which we pulled down with, right, the strength of this pullback was weak relative to the response we got at 50%, so I did enter. Obviously we had some room to fill this move, we were overextended relative to that low middle time frame. So yeah, that was a 4-hour level as well, relatively close to that. Yeah, that's pretty much it.